Hi guys, if your dishes are still wet after a wash cycle, you may need to enable the heat dry setting on your Whirlpool dishwasher. So in this video, you are going to learn exactly how you can turn it on, and I'm also going to explain why it makes such a big difference in drying performance. So before starting the cycle, you just have to make sure that your dishes are loaded correctly. The plastic containers especially tend to hold more moisture after washing, so avoid stacking the cups, the bowls tightly together because the trapped water can stay inside even with the heat dry feature enabled. After doing so, you just have to simply close your dishwasher door firmly, and then you just have to simply locate the power button on top of your dishwasher. So you just have to simply press the power button, then wait for the control panel lights to activate fully. After doing so, you just have to simply choose the preferred cycle. So you can choose the boost cycle, the normal cycle, the heavy cycle, or the auto cycle. So after doing so, you can just simply press the heat dry button, the heated dry, or the high temperature dry button depending on your Whirlpool model. So when it is enabled, the heat dry indicator light should turn on, and this setting uses the additional heat during the drying stage in order to reduce the water left on the dishes. After doing so, you just have to simply press the start button over here. So when you press the start button and then close the door immediately if required by your model, so this dishwasher will now include the heated drying stage automatically near the end of the cycle. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.